Guys, welcome to Night of Devil Creations. So, this is going to be a short little video. The blue collar ashtray hit 50 likes on it. And I want to get your guys' opinion. So, I'll give it a week. I have a very similar blank that I kind of made up. It's the live edge walnut with a strip of maple in it, and we'll carve it out just like we did the last one. Or I have a piece of cherry, walnut, and maple that will stack up like this, and then do a deep carve down in there. So we'll carve it kind of deep, get down in there like this, and then make our cigar rest. So this is the giveaway ashtray that we'll be doing. So to enter this one, for telling me which ashtray that you guys would prefer, if you want one like the blue collar ashtray with a little twist with the maple, or if you want the stacked walnut, maple, and cherry, let me know down in the comments down below. Let's see, and then for the giveaway, I'll let you guys know in the video how that we're going to do the video or the giveaway. So it will be kind of fun, I'm guessing. So yeah, let me know what you guys would like. I'm kind of leaning towards this guy right here. I think it'd be kind of cool to make a blue collar cigar ashtray 2.0. So that's my vote. My vote doesn't count. But this one I thought would be really cool too. So the contrast of colors. Probably could do something pretty cool with that maple. How it's kind of just chunked off right there. Probably do something kind of cool with the edge on this one. So yeah, I'm leaving it up to you guys. You guys hit the thumbs up on that video. We hit 50 likes. I want to thank everybody that has been subscribing lately. I have taken some time off. I just needed a little bit of recharge time with my normal job, and then YouTube, and it's summer in Minnesota. Golf season's really small in Minnesota, and we have beautiful courses here, so you know, trying to get out, play some golf also. So I do apologize. I took a little bit of a break. We will be back very shortly. So that's what this video is for, so that we can do this. I have a really cool coffee table that's going to be coming out here in a few weeks. Maybe this weekend, maybe next weekend. I'll give this about a week. I'm going golfing on a big northern golf trip up north. Not this weekend, but the following weekend. So a little over a week. Should be long enough. Put what you like in there, and let's say if you do tell me which ashtray you would like to see be carved out, you'll get an extra vote. So if you guys vote for which one you want, and you also do whatever we need to do for getting your name in the entry on the video, you can get 2 entries in. So let everybody know to put in the comments down below, just say 2.0 or the I don't know, stacked, whatever. Just if you say 2.0, I'll know which one this one is, and if you say the tri-stack, I'll know which one that one is. Alright, so again, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and leave your comment down below for which one you want, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I can't wait to see you back in my shop, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.